Good morning, guys. I am on the way to pick up some balloons and card for Jasmine. It's her birthday. Get some Starbucks because I can't function without something warm in my system. This lip oil actually looks so good. It's a NARS lip oil. I'll put the color, like the shade, down below. But yeah, I'm obsessed with these lip oils. I wear every single color, and I found this like more pink nudish shade, so that's what I'm wearing right now. But anyway, I'm on my way to pick up the things, and I probably shouldn't be recording while driving, so I'm gonna go pick up the stuff and then I'll see you in a bit. Me trying to drive home with these balloons, I can't see anything. I'm weak. And also, what the hell? Whose animal? Whose animal was on my car? What the hell? What the hell? I just washed this car. Could you let me know whose animal was walking on the hood of my car? I told her I had an appointment. I think she believed it. So hopefully she doesn't suspect that I had to go out for balloons and things.
Oh, I love these. They're so cute. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Happy
my
birthday.
hair.
No, your hair is done. What are you talking about? You wake up and it's done.
Ooh, I love this. Whoa. Aww.
I wish I had a better pen, but.
I wish you a happy 29th and many more blessed years. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna start getting ready. I got Fresh Prince going on in the background. So right now I'm just putting on this. First I put on this Lock. It's the Light Source Primer. And then this is the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation, Valencia. So I'm just gonna do a light layer of this because I'm gonna be filming doing my hair, getting my hair done at the salon, which I haven't had that done in a couple of years actually, so it should be very interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna do a really light layer. I pretty much cut and burned myself on this side of my face, so I don't want to cake it up because the texture is a little weird and you never really want to add too much makeup to texture. So I'm just gonna do this really lightly. This is an Hourglass #2 brush. I need a larger like vanity table. Okay, so I got NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is Macadamia, and I'm gonna use that for under my eyes. And we're gonna do, this makeup's gonna be pretty simple. My makeup every day is pretty simple. And then let's go ahead and set that. So I'm taking this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is medium golden. It's my absolute favorite powders. I usually just wear this powder by itself, but since I'll be kind of recording today, doing some things, it's her birthday, so I want to look a little bit more put together. So I put foundation on. Eyes, I'm taking this, it's the Kabuki Doll MAC palette, and this is a MAC 240S brush, and I'm just going between these two, so just any kind of warm or taupey shade of brown, and this is gonna go in my crease, kind of big everywhere like that. I'll be taking a smaller brush. This is a finishing ponytail brush from Laura Mercier, and taking a little bit of the middle and then the end, the darker shade, and then just going in here, maybe a little bit in there. I honestly just need to get lash extensions again. Okay, so after 80 years, I got the lashes on. Oh my god, I suck. I'm taking NARS Climax mascara, and that'll just go, actually let me, because I can't say, go right under. This is actually a really good mascara. Like, I like the wand. The formula is like nice and black, gives you definition, and it's like really juicy. Like, it's a wet formula. So I actually really like this one. Just like that. I love this Lock palette. It's the Hustle and Glow Baked in Bronze highlight palette. I wear it every single day. So I take this shade, a little bit of these two, mix them together. Contour. It's really pigmented, so I have to be careful. And I think I really like baked powders and things because it doesn't break me out. There's no oil. I'm trying to stay away from oil in beauty products because it's the oil that is pretty much breaking me out and causing what the dermatologist says is melia, something like that. I'm taking this brush. It's a Moda BMX265 glow brush, and just taking these two together, and this will be my highlight. I'm trying to be careful because I still have the texture from the burn on this side, so I don't want to highlight the texture, but I love this highlighter. If I feel like I need to set with a spray, then I'll set with the spray after I let it all sink in, and then I might powder a little bit before I leave, and then setting spray. So just going underneath there, and I love it on the chin here too. Gotta be careful to avoid this pimple, so I'm not highlighting it. So blush is the same one that I wear every day. It's the Laura Mercier. This is the Peach Blush Color Infusion. I do it right here. And for the lip, let's just go with, this is NARS Bondage. I'm just gonna use this as like a liner. I might just take this Orgasm gloss. Kind of wanted something a little bit more nude though. I have this one. It's on the radio, and let's put this in the middle. Yeah, just tones it down a little bit. Yeah, I wanted it more like nudie. Yeah. And then hair wise, I just have in this like clip thing that I've been wearing with a puff, some gel, and then I just kind of arrange it. So that's it, and we're ready. Okay, so we're here now at the salon. We're gonna go get our hair done and trimmed. Jazz just wants like a cut, and then she wants like finger waves, and I just want like a trim. I want her to do something with my fro since I have not gotten my hair done at a salon in like maybe 2 years. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna walk, I guess. Oh, okay. It's like in the... I don't know if I want to go in the... Got these glasses at a flea market for $10, and they are my favorites now. They're so good, so we gotta go back and see if there's some other gems. Oh my god, we're going back. Okay, so it was...
That's the
yeah, that's the auto shop.
Then it's where we bring it up in.
Maybe in... Yeah, it gotta be in this alley. Oh my god. Lord knows, I can't. Oh my god.
Okay. I think, it's locked. So go ahead.
Oh my god.
No, that's fine. I think we gotta go over.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is crazy. Oh my god.
Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Hi. How are you? Jaleesa.
I'll be Jaleesa. Thank you. Thank you.
Coconuts.
And then all those other big things.
Okay. What do you think you want to do? Okay, it's from the front, so it's like a, yeah.
Looking for a party where the story begins. She was looking for somebody, she was out with her friends. I could see her looking out for someone to depend on. Locked her eyes on me.
Every time.
She moved a little closer
I like
as the
to do my
story
shit with it.
continues. Lights getting lower, mood setting the venue. Now I feel her body and I feel like we're in tune. And we want the same thing.
So we got a little something.
I like the skirt patch right
Yeah, well, it was the blend in a weave that had a middle part. And so, and I left it. Yeah, I left it.
We'll be using the natural shea butter,
Okay.
sweet coconut oil, curl
Okay.
defining cream.
Okay.
The oil just to help define
Okay.
the curl,
Okay, to find the curl.
and these will be the two.
Okay.
Yeah, they will be
Okay, we might get a flat iron, guys. I haven't got a proper flat iron since, I don't even know.
'Cause it's the rhythm of the night. I'ma give her what she like through the rhythm of the night. She with me to the morning come. What's the story now? We keep pouring up. Can't let this go the way. It's the rhythm of the night. It's the rhythm of the night. And now we're on our own. We don't want it to end now. Night still young and she ain't with her friends now. Story getting deeper and we just getting swept out. I'm about to dive right in. So we heading home, she can't take her hands off me. I was singing my song, I was killing her softly. Grip so strong, she was trying to boss me. But before we leave, we had one shot, might lead to two more. 3 shots, might lead to 4. One shot, might lead to 2 more. One shot, might lead to 2 more. You got everything I need and more. I know that you're feeling it now. I know that you're feeling it now. 'Cause it's the rhythm of the night. I'ma give her what she like through the rhythm of the night. And she with me to the morning show. What's the story now? We keep pouring up. Can't let this go the way. It's the rhythm of the night. It's the rhythm of the night.
There's nobody else. There's no one else now at this point. You're really getting in there.
okay.
Some things are happening.
You gonna put that D part on them too?
Yes.
Put that D.
And I can wet it as often as I do and like moisturize it as often as I do, then it's starting to grow. So now I just know how to manage it curly. But when I was younger, no, I had no idea. It was just flat iron for life. I've never had real issues with it, whether it's curly or straight. It's just, as long as you kind of figure out the method of it. Like when it's curly, if you try to manage it while it's soaking wet and condition it while it's soaking wet, detangle while it's wet.
That's it.
Then it dries fine when it's curly.
Okay.
And then when you want to straighten it, just got to make sure that you get a bomb blowout first.
That's it.
And then it'll straighten nice.
That's it.
Yeah, I know that it's you, baby. They know that you got it. There's nothing else to do now. You're probably in the mood now. Driving up my phone, baby. You know I ain't been home lately, but I can be around, baby. You got me going wild, crazy. And I know why you got too much on your mind. I could be there to break you out. And it's 4:45 and I can see the morning light, but everybody's gonna be around. I can't make a sound. Judge, baby, you get what you want daily. There's nothing else new now. No, there's nothing else new now. Yeah, you hiding like before, baby. You ain't come knocking on my door lately, but you can hang around, baby. Am I acting wild and crazy? I know why you got too much on your mind. I could be there to break you out.
What'd you put on? You just did some skincare? You look good though.
Yeah, I just put like my
Skincare.
moisturizer.
My little moisturizer.
You look good though.
Yeah, so we're on our way out to Din Din with the birthday girl. Hey!
It's a birthday affair.
It is.
Yes.
Do you have any words for your birthday?
I'm just happy to be here.
So nice!
We're so happy to celebrate you.
And get lit. Just
Absolutely.
always wake up every day.
Absolutely.
Live life.
Yes, you got one life to live. You better do it out the best.
Absolutely. Every day. Good or
Oh,
bad.
hello.
You already know.
You heard. You heard.